पर मैं करियर के इस मामले में बोलूँगी तो करियर के मामले में आई एम ऑलरेडी वर्किंग एज अ कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर एंड ऑल्सो द हेड ऑफ द कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर इन माई थ्री प्रोडक्शन विच इज releasing in the movie next year maybe. So or I feel there's a lot of scope for the future. Exactly. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल there is no gap between like that. Fashion is like that to express yourself and here you can truly it doesn't matter where you from, whether you are from Bihar, whether you are from Patna, whether you are from south, whether you are from your north. It just depends your creativity, your way of expressing. Fashion is all about that, so it's nothing like that. बहुत 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 ज़्यादा खुशी हुई जब मेरा ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट था ये वाला। तो मुझे पता है वो 2 महीनों में हम लोगों ने कितनी स्ट्रगल करी, किस किस तरह से स्ट्रगल करके आज सर्टिफिकेट पाया है बेस्ट ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट का भी और उसका भी। सो आई एम फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी एंड वेरी प्राउड फॉर दैट.
It is really great to be a part of NIFT Srinagar, and we are really thankful for the faculty for mentoring us in a way, nurturing us in a way to be able to be a part of any stream in this fashion industry. NIFT and its curriculum has nurtured us in a way that we can fit into any stream in this industry. So we are really thankful to be a part of this NIFT community, and we would be grateful to be served back to the NIFT community and our nation. So, yeah, absolutely. So, being in NIFT itself is a good thing, and being a part of NIFT Srinagar is even more better with a place wherein there are multiple handcrafts and handlooms, and there's so diverse arts and crafts that are here to explore, and we have had a great opportunity to learn from the Kashmir and its crafts. So I would like to say it was a great experience to be a part of NIFT Kashmir. Absolutely, absolutely. In our third year, we had an opportunity to bring in Kashmir into our products, Kashmir crafts and arts into our products. So we have developed a collection of cruel ari. So we have contemporized it and made it a one-size collection. And later in our graduation project, we have done. So I'm basically from Andhra Pradesh. So the craft kalamkari, I've incorporated the whole essence of the craft for my graduation project and came up with a gender inclusive collection, size inclusive. So wanted to diversify the product range of the craft. So we would be really grateful to diversify the arts and crafts of Indian